Welcome back to the Marchon Monster Truck Pullers Association. On this video, we will be looking at 3 simple modifications which will greatly improve the performance of a Marchon Monster Truck. Let's begin with some basics. The heart of any slot-operated monster truck is its pickup system. After all, it is this drop-arm style system which enables your monster truck to do what it does, which is to drive over obstacles. While the stock pickup system of your Marchon Monster Truck may be adequate for the factory set, improvements could be had. But once removed from this controlled environment, a Marchon Monster Truck becomes a fish out of water. What do I mean by controlled environment? In this case, we go back to the track or course. In a Marchon set, the track obstacles are fixed, mostly even across the top, and will never change, not to mention the unrealistic looking crush cars cut in half. While this may be fine for a toy race set, realistic racing on a track of your own design spells trouble. No longer are things fixed or even. Your truck is now hitting bumps, holes such as between cars, and driving at angles Marchon never intended. When dealing with slot monster trucks, the word to remember is loose. The more free your pickup system is, the more wild your truck can get without losing contact with the track. The first thing you'll want is to get more drop in your arm. This will allow your truck to fly higher, enable you to hit obstacles harder and quicker, without pulling the guide pin out of the slot. This modification is a simple matter of sanding or shaving down the arm stop at the rear of the pickup arm. Don't shave too much or your arm will drop below the electrical contacts. The thing to watch when increasing the amount of drop in the pickup arm is the arm angle versus guide pin location. Place your truck on a piece of test track and, looking from the side, lift your truck straight up. Depending on the amount of added drop you've achieved, the guide pin may de-slot or come very close before reaching the arm's maximum swing. If this looks like a problem, the guide pin must be moved forward. This is done by replacing the guide pin. Remove the stock guide pin and superglue a thin piece of plastic to the pickup arm, covering the original guide pin mounting hole. Next, take a Thunderjet guide pin and superglue it to the shoe deck with the actual pin located as far forward as possible, as shown. It is best if you can find a Thunderjet backup pin, the long red or white ones. This pin is much longer and can be easily cut down for even better adjustment. Note the new forward position of the guide pin. With these 2 modifications in place, you can see the added drop in the pickup system. For our final modification, turn your truck upside down, take a hold of the front pickup arm and move it from side to side. You'll notice it is fairly tight and does not move much. This may sound good, however, should your truck get the least bit sideways, it'll fight the arm due to physics, and the weight of the truck will pull the arm out of the slot. What you really want is some side movement or play in the arm. For this, slightly shave or elongate the pickup mounting holes in the chassis. This will allow your truck the added freedom to do what it wants to do and time to recover before ripping the arm out of the slot. Work slowly and be careful and shave very little. Shaving the mounting holes a little will translate to a lot of movement at the other end of the arm. You'll want only about an 1/8 inch movement each side off center. Also, do not destroy the holding tabs at the bottom of each hole, or the pickup arm will not clip back in and stay in place. With these simple modifications in place, whether racing on a stock Marchon Monster Truck track or a track of your own design, you should notice a marked improvement in the performance of your monster truck.